Today I'm going to be making a very simple and classic cream cheese frosting, and here are the ingredients that we need. 3 cups of icing sugar, that is also called confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. A half a cup of butter, and I am using salted butter in this recipe. This is also at room temperature. A half a cup of cream cheese, and I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. This is also at room temperature. You can use any brand that you wish. And our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. All right, our first step is to get all of our butter into our bowl and also our cream cheese. There we go. And I'll grab my mixer and I'm just going to cream these together. So that's our first step. So I'm going to cream this up and I'll be back when it's much more creamy than this. Okay, that's nicely creamed, and then we'll get our vanilla in there and just incorporate that. And then our powdered sugar. So I'm just going to slow my mixer down and I'll just work in about half of this. So just go on speed number 1. You don't want to have a big dust cloud. And the warmer your butter is and your cream cheese, the easier this process is going to be. Everything will combine together much easier than if your butter is colder and also your cream cheese is colder. Now I can turn my speed up a little bit. You can see it starting to come together now. Okay, I'll just get all of the rest in. Get my mixer back on number 1. So I'll just incorporate this and I'll come back in a second. Alright, been mixing for a good minute or so. I wanted to get a lot of air incorporated into our frosting. I'll just show you on a spoon how thick this is. And there we go. You can see how nice this frosting is. This is really, really fun to work with. So that's it, my simple classic cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.